Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Forza Horizon 5 game on Microsoft Store, or if you're unable to install it from Xbox app, and if you're receiving this error code that is 0x80070424. So the first step is to log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Xbox app on your computer. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it, then click on sign out, and then again click on the profile icon, then click on sign in. Now select the right account. Do the same thing with Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here, you can see profile icon. Click on it. Then click on sign out. Again, click on sign in. Select the same account which you have selected on Xbox app. So use the same account and then click on continue. Now enter the PIN or password over here. And once logged in, try to install Forza Horizon 5. Also make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on over here. In Windows 10, you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11, select the right time zone from here and scroll down here. You can see sync now option. So click on sync now. And once the sync is done, try to install the game. Also make sure right country is selected over here. Now the next step is to install the game from Xbox app. So if you're trying to install the game from Microsoft Store, then you can install it from Xbox app. So open Xbox app on your computer. You can search Forza Horizon 5 and then click on install. And in case if you're installing it on my Xbox app, so if you're receiving that error code on Xbox app, then use Microsoft Store. So find the game in Microsoft Store and then try to install it. You can also go to library, click on it, and once you click on library, in the list you will find the name of your game. So find Forza Horizon 5 game in the list. If you find the game, in front of it you will see the install option, so install it and then check. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description, so copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command, hit the enter key, and let the process complete. Now this process will take some time. So if you are receiving any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Also run the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell once again. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command, hit the enter key, and let the process complete. This process will also take some time, and during this process you will receive some errors in red color. So if you receive some errors, just ignore it and let the process complete. Once this is done, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache file. For this, go to the start menu. Open File Explorer. So open File Explorer, then go to this PC, then open C drive. Now open users folder, and then open your username folder, and then open AppData folder. Now if you don't see AppData folder, then click on view and select show and then put a check on hidden items. On Windows 10, somewhere over here you will find view option. So click on the view and then put a check on hidden items, and then you should be able to see the AppData folder. Open AppData. Now open the local folder. Now find the packages folder. Open this packages folder. Scroll down. At the end here you can see Microsoft Store. You have to find Microsoft Windows Store. So scroll down here, you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric characters. So open this folder, and here you can see local cache file. So make a right click on local cache folder and then click on delete. And now you can restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to repair and reset Xbox app or Microsoft Store. So type in store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, then click on app settings. Now scroll down here, you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And after the repair, install Forza Horizon 5, but still you're receiving the error message. In that case, perform reset. So click on reset, reset, and after the reset, open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then try to install the game. Do the same thing with Xbox app. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app and then click on app settings once again. Again, scroll down and then click on repair option. And after the repair, open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. If that does not resolve, then click on reset, reset. After the reset, try to install the game. Now, the next step is to update Xbox app and Microsoft Store from Store library. For this, open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the bottom left here, you can see the library option. So click on library. And on the top right here, you can see the get updates option. So click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website and you will see the option to install or get Xbox Identity Provider. Click on get. It will prompt you to open a Microsoft Store. So click on open Microsoft Store. And here you can see get option to install Xbox Identity Provider. Click on get. And after the installation, try to install the game. Now, if you don't see any button over here, that means this is already installed. Now, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. To uninstall gaming services, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Hit the Enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Now copy this command. Paste it on the same window. Hit the Enter key. This will open Microsoft Store. You will see the option to install gaming services. Click on Install. Click on Yes to allow. And let the download complete. Now, once gaming services is installed, now you can open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now, the next step is to start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper. Set it to automatic. Then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. At the end here, you can see all the Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services one by one. Set it to automatic. Then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Again, select automatic, apply, start, OK. So open all the Xbox services. Just make a double click. Set it to automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Again, automatic, apply, start, OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, apply, click on start and then click on OK. Now find gaming services in the list. Make sure gaming services are running. If not running, make a right click, then click on start. If it's already running, then stop it and then restart the service. So make a right click, then click on stop, then again make a right click, click on stop. Now restart the gaming services. Make a right click, then click on start. Again make a right click, then click on start. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click and set it to automatic, apply, then click on start, then click on OK. Now try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. So go to the start menu, click on settings, then go to Windows Update or Update and Security, then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Next step is to run WS reset command. So type in WS reset in Windows search box, click on WS reset. This will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. So the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now try to install the Forza Horizon 5 game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So to uninstall, type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall, uninstall. After the uninstall, uninstall Microsoft Store. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the Enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Now once this is done, restart your computer and then again open PowerShell and copy the second command. Type in PowerShell once again and then make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Paste the command, hit the Enter key. Now this will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. Now you can open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to try installing the game to C drive or to a different drive. So for this, go to the Start menu, click on Settings, then go to System, scroll down, click on Storage. Now in Windows 10, you will find this option which says where new content is saved. In Windows 11, click on Advanced Storage Settings, then click on where new content is saved. And then if the game is installing to another hard drive, in my case, I don't have any hard drive connected right now. So if you're trying to install the game to D drive, E drive, then select C drive and then click on Apply and then try to install the game. But in case if you're already installing the game to C drive and you're receiving the error message, in that case, if you have any external hard drive or if you have any additional drive, you can select another drive and then try to install the game. Also, rename the WP system and Windows apps folder. Now to rename WP system folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WP system. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP system folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply. OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP system folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names. OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK, apply. OK, OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename it as WP system.old. Now still you face problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open D drive, then make a right click on Windows apps and then rename it. Now before rename, you have to take the ownership, make a right click, then click on properties, go to security tab, advanced. Now click on change over here, type in everyone in the box. Now click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply. OK, OK, again OK. Again make a right click on Windows apps, select properties, security tab, advanced, and this time click on add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows apps and then click on rename and then rename it as Windows apps.old. Now while renaming it, if you receive any kind of error message which says file is open, in that case open Task Manager on your computer, make a right click on the start menu, click on Task Manager. Now if you find gaming services, make a right click and then click on end task, and also open services over here and then go to services and find gaming services, make a right click on gaming services, click on stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on stop, Again, make a right click and then click on stop. Make sure gaming services is not running, and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as Windows apps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl, then click on inetcpl.cpl, and then go to the advanced tab and scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked and then click on apply, click on OK, and then try to install the game. Now in case if nothing is working, in that case update Windows to the latest version using media creation tool. If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to install Forza Horizon 5 game on your Windows computer successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.